Now good. Okay, now let me just tell you something you have to know. My sister, this goes to Africa, all over the world. My African beautiful sisters. Say we always get better shape. So one thing I'm to tell you is this. If any of your African sister who stay in any country, who stay in Dubai or any country, come to your country and tell you, come, I want to take you to the country for you to do prostitute for me, because you will not lie, you will not tell me that they don't used to tell you where you are going to. They will explain to you, but the one thing about them is they are not going to tell you the point. They are not going to hit the point for you. They will not tell you the truth, because they know that when they tell you the truth, you will not go. You will not accept. You will know the truth. They will always lie because they want to market you. So they are going to tell you, come to Dubai, when you come to Dubai, you are going to pay me 1.5 million in 6 months, and then what you will be getting every day is this and this, and we'll put you in a nice house. It's a lie. Don't go. Don't go. This video is made for everybody. Don't go. These girls, don't go. My sister, please, I'm begging you people, don't ever step out, say that you are coming to Dubai. They will tell you this, when you go there, in 1 year, your life will change. It's a lie. They want to frustrate you. Do you know what they are doing? They will send you, come here. They will take your passports, use your passport and go back to Nigeria. You will remain here. Because it's very hard to see passports. Some people use 1 million to buy passport, to even see passports. So, do you know what they will do? They will seize your passport. Use that your passport, go back to Nigeria, and you will remain in Dubai, or the country, you will remain in Dubai frustrated. No passport, no money, nothing. Or they will bring you here. They will tell you, we are going to swear for you. You swear in the shrine and wherever. I don't even know. And this is how much you are going to gain. I don't know. I have not, been there before. Though I don't judge. And I'm not the best. But let's just put it this way. Don't accept what they are telling you. They will frustrate you here. I have so many of my friends I know. They are so frustrated. No visa, no passports. Even passports, they don't even have. So how will they go back to Nigeria? They don't know. They are here, jumping around. Even the person that brought them here just abandoned them. Some ladies that brought them here have go back to Nigeria because they have, since why they brought them here is to collect their passport and go back to Nigeria. And let me tell you another secret that you don't know. They will bring you here and tell you that you are going to sleep with a white man. If you see the kind of white man you are going to sleep with, hey, you go vomit, throw away. Pakistan, drunkards, all these useless white people. If you see who you are going to sleep with, you know how much they will take? They will use 20 dirham to sleep with you. Let no joke. You know how much is that 20 dirham? It's just 2,000 naira. They will just like, they will first, like, bro, sister, if you know what they are going to do with it, okay, calculate 20 times that money that the lady says you are going to pay her. And you know what thing again? When you reach here, she's going to be collecting that money from you because already she has collected your passport. After collecting that money from you, my sister, she will collect more than that. And she will also tell guys to monitor you. They will cage you. You'll be scared. If you make any harm, they might set you up, they'll deport you, put you in police cell and deport you. So my dear, instead of you to come here and do prostitute for somebody, you better be in Nigeria, the whole granite. Manage yourself. God will provide a helper for you or a man who will marry you. Because even when you come to here, okay, let me just tell you one thing. You will come and do the prostitute. They will seize your passport, which you are not going again. Your visa will collapse for 3 months. No, after I'll eat. This one eat, mama. Your visa will come. Mama, wait. Your visa will collapse for 3 months. No. Your visa will no, okay. Your visa will, mama, thank you. Your visa will collapse for 3 months. After that 3 months that your visa will collapse, there is no way to go back again. Even, do you know one thing about them? They don't even have money to rent for house. Because of what? No company will take you when you don't have passport, you don't even have visa. Even when your visa is remaining 1 month, bye-bye. So that is the secret I want to tell my sisters, because I love you girls so much. So many girls are frustrated here. So many join into the prostitution. Hey, so many don't sell their body tire. They are even sending their body, sending the money to their people in Nigeria, but they can't go back. Many are regretting. So don't be among those that will regret. E better you plan money, come out here and do work of 5,000. Be so proud of yourself than one kind nonsense woman, nonsense girl just push you out from here. And I will also tell you one thing about here.